Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Feedly topics to build SEO content pipelines, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, access your Feedly account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Use the search bar to enter topics relevant to your niche or industry. Explore the suggested topics and sources that appear in the results. Select a few sources that frequently publish high-quality content. Add these sources to your Feedly by clicking the Follow button. Organize your selected sources into boards or categories for better management. Now, review the articles within your chosen topics daily. Take notes on trending themes, popular headlines, and engaging formats. Identify gaps in the content that you can fill with your own insights. Use these insights to brainstorm new content ideas tailored to your audience. Begin drafting an outline for your SEO content based on the findings. Incorporate relevant keywords throughout your outline. Ensure each piece of content answers specific questions or needs from your target audience. Plan a content calendar that schedules regular posts based on your research. Continuously monitor your Feedly for updates on your selected topics. Make adjustments to your content strategy as new trends and information emerge. As you execute your content plan, track engagement and performance metrics. Refine your approach based on what resonates most with your audience. This process will help you create an effective SEO content pipeline using Feedly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.